Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Bhavani's Kitchen, always crave cute. And here I took tomato, 1 sliced onion, 2 green chili, coriander, curry leaves, bottle gourd, carrot and lady's finger. And here I took tomato, 1 sliced onion, 2 green chili, coriander, curry leaves, bottle gourd, carrot and lady's finger. So I'm adding all the vegetables. Saute it once. Then I'm adding some turmeric powder. Now I'm adding some hing. Saute it properly. Here I'm adding some salt and some red chili powder. Saute it once, and now I'll add some tamarind water to it. I've soaked tamarind before. I'm adding some tamarind water and 1 glass of water. I'm adding another glass of water. I took 1 cup dal, and for 1 cup dal I took 1 sliced onion, 1 tomato and half bottle gourd, 2 green chili, some curry leaves, some mint leaves, some coriander leaves and 1 carrot and 2 to 3 lady's finger. So let the water boil now. So friends, you can see the water is boiling along with all the vegetables, and you can smell the delicious aroma. Vegetables are getting boiled in tamarind water. So we'll wait for 5 to 6 minutes so that all the vegetables cooks well, and then I'll add dal to it. So friends, after adding dal, immediately I'm adding some freshly chopped garlic. Just I took 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. So friends, you can see hot sambar is ready to serve now. You can serve this in hot rice and idlis as well. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up to my video. Those who are watching my channel for the first time, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.